What's up guys, Aiden here, A's Lawn Landscape, and welcome back to another video. We're here with Garrett with Foggin Hands Lawn Care.
What's up guys?
We're having a great day today. Today's a good day. We got the entire rig out. We got grass seed, 2 spreaders, blowers, gas, fertilizer, backpack blower, and an aerator. That's right guys, you guessed it. We're doing an aeration vlog for you guys. Got a whole bunch of fun content coming in this video, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we just finished up the first and second one. Got seed and fertilized, all ready to go. Coming down here to number 3, and I'll put it on a time lapse for you so you can watch us rock it out. Let's get to work. Alright guys, we're knocking them out. What did we just do? Number 6? Number 8? 7?
Something like that.
Something like that. We're up there in those numbers. It is, what do we got, 11:30 Garrett?
Yeah.
11:30 on the clocks now. So we're rocking and rolling, getting them done. Pick up some footage on the next one. This next one here in the corner, it's an aeration overseed starter. That one's getting everything, just like this one. So let's move right along. We're rocking and rolling right through them. We've got 3 left to do. They're free, bigger size yards. We're gonna get them done though. But I wanted to say a big thanks to PPLM, Picture Perfect Lawn Maintenance, down in Richmond, Virginia. Thank you for the hat. If you guys live down in that area and you're interested to a similar service we're offering today, hit them up. They'll take care of you. They'll get you done. But got the setup over there. We're getting cruising through them. But I want to say one more thing. If you guys are interested in more of the how and why of aeration, make sure you stay tuned for next week's video where we're going to show you all about aeration. done.
What's the matter?
Oh, I'm not done. I'm just thirsty.
Oh, well, that's the problem. We gotta stay hydrated out here. You know, it's 70 degrees, but humidity, sunshine, and no cloud coverage. You know, just gotta stay hydrated. Gotta let the freedom ring between the steel and a couple other things out here, but you know what I'm saying? If all you guys like this B-roll footage and footage of Aiden, like and comment down below, and if you comment, tell him to hire Garrett from Falcon Hands Lawn Care to be his video guy, you know? So like and subscribe and comment down below. What's up, guys? I know you guys probably think that I'm a lazy you know what, but I'm actually, Aiden and I are switching off once in a while on the aerator, and they're aerating. If you want to know why we do aeration, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for next week's video, because he's gonna go all in depth because he's way smarter than I am. But yeah, hit that subscribe button, like and comment and share.
Alright guys, that's a wrap for it. We wrapped up and did 8 aerations or so. I'm not sure if I showed all of them, but that's really all we have. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, stay tuned for next week's video on more in-depth stuff about aeration. But with that, I'm Aiden from Maison Landscaping. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.